Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food Channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make momoni, the Ghanaian fermented stinky fish that we all love so much. And as usual, you know all my recipes are very easy to follow, so let's get right into it. So guys, to make my momoni, I'm going to use fresh sea bass. You can go ahead and use any type of fish you like, okay, but I really like this one. So I have already washed my fish, washed and pat dried it. So now I am going to cut it in small pieces, right? You don't have to do it like that. You can also make your momoni using the whole fish, but I just want to cut it up right from the beginning. And I'm going to repeat it. You can use any type of fish you like. I have seen momoni made with mackerel, with pompano fish, with even tilapia. I've seen it before. So go ahead, use the fish that you have and that you prefer. But as for me, I think sea bass is very good as momoni. All right, okay, so I have finished cutting up my fish, and there are different methods to make momoni, but I like to ferment my fish first. Some people add some salt first, but I prefer to ferment it. So now it's cut up and I am going to wrap it in cling film. All right, if you do not have cling film, you can use a plastic bag, but I would highly recommend using cling film that you can get from any supermarket. If you are in the UK, you can go to Tesco, Lidl, Sainsbury's, all of them, okay, or even the corner shop. It's very easy to find. Now I'll go ahead and wrap it one more time in cling film. Guys, you know how momoni smells. I don't want to take any risk. I have neighbors on both sides of my house. I don't want them to call the cops on me. Okay, so then I'm going to wrap it in foil or aluminium paper, or as our Americans will say, aluminum. Yeah, and there you go. And now I am going to put it in a plastic bag. Yes guys, as I said, I'm not playing with that. I'm making sure it is tightly wrapped. I don't want any smell. Yeah, so just use any plastic bag that you have. And then last but not least, I am going to keep it in a container. This is an old ice cream container that I do not need, so we'll keep it in a dark warm place for about 2 weeks or 14 days. I decided to keep it in my barbecue outside. Hey guys, this is me. I'm back. This is after 14 days. I am outside in the garden and I'm going to show you how it looks like. It already smells like momoni. Oh my god. So let's remove the foil, and then we'll go ahead and remove the cling film and see how our momoni looks like. And hopefully, if I washed it well, pat dried it well and kept it well secured, there shouldn't be any maggots of sorts inside. And as you can see, it's already looking great. Oh my god, the smell. Did you see the flies? Oh my god. So now I am going to remove the cling film and show you my momoni, homemade Ghana style momoni. Guys, I was dealing with these flies. There were so many. Thank God my neighbors were not around at that time, because they would have smelled it. For some reason, I like Momoni smell. I don't know why, but I really like it. I don't know if it's weird or not, or if I'm the weird one, but I do like it. So look at this beauty. Oh my god, I think I'll have to stress on the smell. Oh, it is powerful. This is Momoni Ankasa, real Momoni. Look at this. And there are no maggots, no nothing, nicely fermented. So now let me show you a close-up of my Momoni. Look at this, nice Momoni, no maggots. I'm so happy. So guys, it is now time to add salt. Please be very generous with the salt. It is very important. You can use sea salt or any type of salt you like. I'm just using the regular fine table salt, but again, make sure you are very, very generous with the salt. Okay, yeah. My other salt was finished, so I had to use another one, so that's why it looks different. Okay, but it's still the same type of salt, and I'm making sure it enters every corner of the fish. So now I am going to wrap it again in the cling film, and I'll take it back to the kitchen. So guys, I am back in the kitchen, and I am going to put my Momoni in a Ziploc bag. Okay, so it's the bag that you can reseal. I forgot to mention, make sure you wear gloves, or else the smell is going to be sleeping with you for at least 2 to 3 days. I'm just advising you, make sure you wear gloves. Okay, so yeah, so I'm putting it in my Ziploc bag. Okay, then I'm going to zip it up, and then I'm going to fold it just as you see here. And then for the last time, I'm going to wrap it again in foil or aluminum, and I'm going to be wrapping it in foil twice. Okay guys, yeah. And then I'm going to put it in a bag just like that, and make a knot, and it is nice and secured. And again, last but not least, I'm going to put it back in my ice cream container. Okay, this is it. So now we are going to keep it for another 7 to 10 days. I kept it for 7 days, but you can go up to 10 days or even 14 days if you want to. Hello my Momoni fans, I am back again and I'm so excited to see the final results. Wow. So let's look. I'll just let you enjoy the video and then I'll comment it a bit later on. And there you have it, guys. This is my homemade Momoni, Ghana Momoni. Easy to make Momoni. Look at this. Oh, and it smells, you know about the smell, I don't have to say it again. Look at this close-up. Nice Momoni. So let's go back outside. Look at this homemade fermented fish, Mrs. Julie's fermented fish. I really hope you're going to try it because it's very easy to make and you can keep it for a long time. You can make it whenever you like it. So guys, I always keep it in an airtight container and then put it in the deep freezer. So whenever I need a piece, I just take it out and take a piece of Momoni for whatever I want to use it for. So usually I use it for my spinach stew, so the traditional one, when I'm making an okra stew. So it depends, but I know I always have some in the freezer. So this was my recipe. I hope you're going to try it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.